This is gonna be awesome.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It at a Dime. Today I've got all new Dollar Tree cleaning products that I love, and you know when I love something, it reads all over my face. I don't love everything in store, I tell you that too.
Sink it, more like stink it. These are the pits, never buy them.
Today's video are finds I've never before shared that are absolutely worth the dollar, are ultimately really satisfying, and I hope you enjoy this super professional video.
Whoa.
First, I want to share Amazon scores that are at the Dollar Tree for so much cheaper. These cleaning microfiber pads are fantastic. This is a brand new product. If you have a Swiffer or any like brand, you can put this right onto the bottom. These same exact cleaning pads retail for $16 to $20 for a pack, and you can get them for just $1, wash and reuse. Another product that I was wary of trying for a long time, but that's really expensive on Amazon, are these electronic dusters. They work really well, are 5-star rated, and they are so pricey, $5 to $6 a can, and the Dollar Tree version works exactly the same. Definitely give this one a try. Another new product are these pet wipes, which are $7 to $10 for a small pack on Amazon. We use these all the time with our dog to keep his ears and his paws clean. The price point is the best I've seen. Now I want to talk about those rogue finds. Things you think, should I really buy this at the Dollar Tree? Yes, you should.
Oh my gosh! This is disgusting.
You guys know I'm going to give you the straight scoop. This drain rooter is so awesome. You don't have to disassemble any part of your sink. Just stick it right down the drain, push it all the way to the bottom, and pull out all of the gunk. We did this all over our house, and believe me, I was kind with the sink I showed you.
Ew!
Absolutely worth the dollar. Did you also know Dollar Tree carries Goo Gone? I use this all the time on our clothes to remove stickers at the bottoms of vases, and that's the best price I've seen. Next, I want to talk about Auto Care. They have so many incredible products. I don't know why I've never talked about this on my channel before. Just got back from the pool, so it is the perfect time to wash the car. Let me show you some of my favorites. Lots of Dollar Tree items have mixed reviews, but on the website, all of the auto items are consistently 5 stars because they're that good. I love their wash and wax car cleaner. I work in small sections at a time, buffing and then rinsing. I think it gives the best shine and wastes the least water.
I'm gonna link this below for you guys so you don't waste water. It's like the perfect stream. Most people are probably out here enjoying cleaning their sports cars. I'm rocking cleaning the minivan.
The auto rags to dry off your car also work incredibly well.
Ooh, it's so clean you can see my reflection.
This is a brand new to me product and I am so impressed. The tire foam. You spray this onto the outside of your tire and it makes them look brand new. Make sure when you watch my videos you leave me comments down below of products that you love or experiences you've had. I really like learning from you guys. Now I've mentioned these in other videos, but the multi-purpose auto cleaner and auto glass cleaner.
It can be really hard to clean glass, especially inside of the car because it leaves a bunch of streaks and then it fogs up. But this stuff works super well.
Again, these are 5-star rated on Dollar Tree's website. I talked about the auto cleaner in another video, but since we're talking about the car, I wanted to pull it back in here too. It does a great job with center consoles and the smell is not too strong. And if you have a pet in your car or maybe just some messy kids, go to the pet section of Dollar Tree and pick up one of these gloves. It does an incredible job of getting hair off the floor of your car. It takes so long to shop vac this up, so I find this to be really, really fast, and the kids can help with it too. I pick up the bulk of the hair with my hand, and then I run over it with a shop vac or a mini hand vac really quickly, and I'll be sure to link that down below. Did you enjoy this video? What did you learn? Leave me a comment down below and tell me something good. I am so glad that you're here. Be sure to subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next one.
Okay, ready? Go? Tell me when.
Oh, you've been going this whole time.
Oh, I have been? Okay. Hey guys, so I just got back from the pool. I'm gonna wash your car. No, I'm not washing your car.
Whose car? Your car. Whoa, 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 Kathryn.
Oh, sorry. Did I spray you?
Sprayed the camera.
Thanks, bud.